Summer is about to hit, and that's when I reach for my Sanpellegrino. Aranciata, I think, Aranciata Rossa. I don't speak Italian. You got the little Italian boot from your geography class, and it says, made with ingredients from natural origin Italian oranges. Real fruit juice, fresh tasting flavor, no artificial sweeteners. Sparkling orange and blood orange beverage with 10% orange juice from concentrate and 5% blood orange juice from concentrate. So it actually has 15% real orange juice in it, and it's 130 calories, which for me is just fine. From the very first time I tried Sanpellegrino water, I liked it. And I like almost all of their beverages that they make like this. It's 11.15 fluid ounces or 330 milliliters. And because of the long new style can, you can get so many more of these into your refrigerator or your cooler than you can the old style 12-ounce can. They come 6 in a box, and it's really a beautiful box and a beautiful presentation. Sanpellegrino sparkling waters, they will help you stay cool or be cool.